So hello and welcome everyone into Beginner's Home Cooking channel. My name is Veronica and today we are going to showcase you how to make Oreo milkshake. Before we get started, let's revisit what all ingredients we would need. So for one serving of Oreo milkshake, we need around 5 original Oreo cookies, then a little bit of vanilla extract, then we need 100 milliliters of whipping cream. In case you don't have whipping cream at home, you can use milk instead. Then we need 2 spoons of vanilla ice cream, and in case you would like to learn how to make your own homemade vanilla ice cream, check out the video link right there. And last ingredient we need is actually whipped cream. And with that, let's get started. Alright, now we are going to add into our blender or this type of cup where we are going to mix a couple of ingredients. We are going to first add there 2 spoons or cups actually of the vanilla homemade ice cream. It can be also the one that you purchase from the store, but the homemade tastes much better. Alright, so 2 spoons of vanilla ice cream. Now into that we are going to pour 100 milliliters of whipping cream. And then we are going to take 4 biscuits of Oreo and rotate them gently so that you can split them very easily. Like this. And we are going to take with the knife the cream inside of the cookie, and we are going to insert it into our mix, into our cup. And do this for all of the 4 prepared Oreo cookies. Now we are going to mix the all ingredients inside the cup with some blender. Mix all of the ingredients so that the cream inside is a little bit fluffy, but not too much, because otherwise it will be too heavy that we'll be unable then to pour it inside our cup, so be careful. But if that happens to you, please add a little bit of milk to make it softer. Alright. Now it's done. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add the mixed ingredients and pour it into the glass cup like this. And on top of it we are going to add cutted Oreo biscuits. So let's cut them to some bigger pieces. Okay, after this we are going to shake the whipped cream and we're going to add it on top of inside our glass. And before we continue up to the end, cut more of the last pieces of the biscuit into the smaller pieces and add them on top of the whipped cream. and keep the last biscuit and finish the decoration with the whipped cream, something like this. And the last biscuit, let's cut to very tiny pieces. And decorate. Something like this. And then the last biscuit used for decoration, insert it gently into the milkshake. And last piece that is required is to insert the straw like this. And now you can enjoy your milkshake.